Welcome back, guys! Again, I am Engineer Benong. Okay? At i-discuss ko sa inyo is continuation ng first video. Okay? So, another important component in electricity is switch. So, ito yung alam yung switch, yung pampatay, pambuhay ng ilaw sa bahay. Because a switch is used to open or close a circuit. And this one is the schematic symbol of a switch. Okay? Sabi dito, it is used to open or close a circuit. Ano po ba ang itsura ng isang open circuit at ng isang closed circuit? So, kapag open po yung circuit natin, let's say I have here my DC source. Maglagay po ako dito ng switch. And then my resistor. Okay? As you can see, guys, hindi ko tinatagal yung switch ko. Open po yung circuit natin. So, the switch is off. Okay, guys? While a closed circuit, meron ulit ako ditong DC source. Maglagay ulit ako dito ng switch. Yan. Tapos i-close ko po yung switch. Okay. So, ano napansin nyo dito? Kapag open yung circuit, no complete path. So when we say open circuit, there is no complete path for electron to flow. Ibig sabihin, hindi makakatuloy yung current mo kasi unang-una, wala siyang dadaluyan or pagpa-flowan dito. So we can say na kapag meron tayong open circuit, your I is equal to 0 amperes. Kasi nga, hindi kompleto yung path natin. While, kapag closed po yung circuit natin, there is a complete path for the electron to flow. Okay? So, that is the difference between an open and a closed circuit. Okay? And how can you open and close a circuit? By using a switch. Next thing, guys, let us differentiate naman kapag tayo ay merong open and shorted circuit. Or simply short circuit. Okay, so let's say I have here my DC source. And I have here a switch. Okay? This is equal to volt supply, let's say 5 volts. Okay? So, a characteristic of an open circuit is that I is equal to 0 amperes. And pag pinasolve sa inyo ang resistance ng open circuit, that is equal to infinity ohms. And yung voltage mo is maximum. Okay? Kasi, tatanong sa inyo, ano yung mame-measure mo dito? Ang mame-measure mo lang is maximum. Anong maximum? Eh, di kung ilan yung supply mo. Okay? While guys, kapag short circuit, I have here my supply, and i-close ko lang yung switch. Okay? In this case naman, resistance is equal to 0 ohms, and I naman dito is infinity amperes or simply maximum. Your voltage naman here or dito is 0 volts. Yung voltage across dito. Okay guys. So, yan yung characteristic ng open and short circuit. Delikado po yung short circuit. Kung nababalitaan nyo sa TV, kapag magpapasko, madaming nagkakaroon ng sunog dahil nagkakaroon ng short circuit. Kasi kung nakita nyo, wala po tayo ditong resistor. So, anong tendency nun? Magpo-flow lang po ng magpo-flow ang current. Bakit? Kasi wala nag-o-oppose. Wala po tayong resistor. So, pag yun, nag-flow, magpo-cause yun ng init at pwedeng yung wires mo ay magliyab at masisilab ang iyong bahay. Masisilab is masusunog. Okay? So, that is the switch. This is the open and the closed circuit. And this is the open versus short circuit. So, I guess you are ready with the different connections of circuits. Okay? So, fundamentals muna tayo ha. So, please copy. Hello guys! So, let me differentiate naman yung dalawang way ng pagdaloy ng ating kuryente or ng current. Okay, di ba we define current as the flow of electron? Okay? Noong unang ni-discover ang electricity, nung una nagkaroon ng battery, akala ng tao dumadaloy ang electron from positive to negative. Akala nila ganun ang pagdaloy ng current. Yun yung tinatawag nating conventional flow, wherein the flow of electron is from the positive side of the battery to the negative side. Pero later on, nung naging advanced na yung mundo, na-discover nila na ang electron pala talaga ay nagpo-flow from the negative side papuntang positive side. Okay? So, ang tama po talaga is electron flow, negative to positive. Pero na-discover din nila at the same time na yung sign lang naman yung maiiba kapag ang ginamit mo is conventional flow. And mas madalas pong gamitin ang conventional flow dahil nga siya ay yung convention or yun na po yung nakasanayan. Still, wala namang masyadong magiging effect kung ang gamitin mo is electron flow. So, for the meantime, ang lagi kong ginagamit naman lagi is conventional flow. So, those are the two types of flow of electrons. It could be conventional flow from positive to negative or electron flow from negative to positive. Okay? So, please copy. So, let me discuss to you two different sources. We have voltage source, which provides voltage, and we have current source, which provides current. Okay? Voltage source has internal resistance. Yung internal resistance po ay automatic meron sa mga voltage sources. And how is it connected with the voltage source? It is connected in series with the voltage source. While kapag current source, ang internal resistance naman po natin is connected in parallel with the current source. Okay, tandaan pag voltage in series, kapag current in parallel. Okay, as you can see here, there is no any resistor because ideally guys, ideally, the internal resistance of the voltage source should be 0 ohms. Practically, may kakaunti po. Okay, ano po ba ang effect kapag merong maliit na internal resistance? So, analogy tayo. So, okay guys, so di ba ito yung voltage source natin? 0 ohms. Tapos magkakabit ako dito sa terminal ng RL or tinatawag nating load resistance. Di ba, ang ginagawa ng isang resistor, kumakain siya ng voltahe or may nadadrop sa kanya. So, imagine natin, ito yung jowa mo, yung voltage source. Okay? Ito yung jowa mo, yung bibigay ng 5 lobs. Okay? Tapos, ito yung X niya, si RI, ikaw to, si RL. So, kung nagbibigay ng 5 lobs, syempre, ang gusto mo, sa'yo lahat yon. Tama po ba? Gusto mo yon? Gusto ko yon. Diba? Ganon yon. Pero ideally lang yun. Kasi practically po, ang nangyayari ganito. Ito si jowa mo, ito si ex, ikaw to. Okay? So, may value na ang ating internal resistance, pero sobrang baba compared dito sa sayo, sa RL. So, basically, nagbigay siya ng 5 loves, may madadrop ditong 1 love, at 4 loves na lang yung sayo. So, practically guys, mag-isip tayo, hindi talaga yun nangyayari. Okay, tatandaan nyo yun. Ideally, dapat 0 na, pero practically, meron pang sobrang liit na natitira. Okay, so ganun po ang isang practical na voltage source. Okay ba? Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun. Next guys, current source. Kapag current source nga, ito yung current source mo and then yung internal resistance niya is connected in parallel. As you can see, ideally dapat yung internal resistance mo is infinity ohms. Or kapag infinity ohms, open. So kung open dito, for example, nagde-deliver to ng 5 amperes, may dadaan pa ba dito kung open to? Wala na po. Kasi open nga. So lahat ng 5 amperes dito na dadaan kung saan mo i-connect yung load resistance mo. Okay? Pero practically, ang meron po tayong value ng internal resistance ng ating current source is very high or extremely high. So still, may dadaan ditong sobrang liit, pero negligible na. For example, ang nadaan lang dito ay 0.1 amperes, 4.9 na dito. Diba? Kadigli negligible naman na yung 0.1 amperes. Tama po ba? Okay. So, ganun po ang idea about voltage source and current source. So, please copy.